Buongiorno guys, it's Max Inestra. This is day 2 in Athens and I'm super mega hungry. Are you ready? Andiamo a mangiare. First breakfast of the day, take a look. Bugazza, this pastry stuffed with custard cream, topped with some sugar powder, cinnamon. Oh, it looks amazing. I'm a sweet lover, so that's the best way for me to start the day. Buon appetito. Oh, still warm. The custard cream, it's very delicate, not too sweet. I love the cinnamon on top, not too flaky as well, it's a bit crispy. This breakfast takes me back to Italy. Oh, wow. Beautiful meze. Meze? Okay, I take the menu. Thank you. All right, let's take a seat and let's order some meze. Thank you. Oh, wow, nice. Wow. Thank you. As a second breakfast, well, if you want to call it that way, look at what we have. This is fava bean dip with pickles, onion and olives, then mussels, I don't know the sauce, but so with chili and I believe some garlic. Moving on, we have this amazing marinated anchovies with parsley, olive oil and chili, and this is pork. I actually don't know how it's been cooked, probably slow cook at the back. You can see some oregano on top and everything is drizzled with olive oil. Everything looks just so mouth-watering. Let's start with the anchovies. So fresh, look at the olive oil. It's salty, super fresh. First of all, there's no bone. As soon as you bite into it, you just get the freshness, the fishiness. There is a bit of lemon, garlic, parsley. This is just worth flying to Athens for. These are illegal, guys. Let's try the fava bean. With the help of my bread, a bit of onion, parsley. Oh, it's warm. Oh, that's nice. It's like a very comforting puree. Let's put it away. And this is not spicy. Very nice. Third meze, mussels. I don't know how they make it yellow. I don't know the spices in it. Let's try it out. It's very unique. They're very fresh, warm, a bit citrusy. It's very nice. I have to go for this pork with oregano on top. There is chili, oh, chunks of fat. All right, let's take a bite. Oh, so soft, so tender. Can taste a bit of the oregano. It's pretty simple. It looks spicy, actually it's not. Can't go wrong with pork. For lunch we came to one of the oldest tavernas in Athens, Taverna Klimataria, opened since 1927. They kept it very traditional and take a look at the food. These are just the entrees, an amazing Greek salad. Take a look at the feta cheese. It's like a kilo of cheese with oregano, olive oil, salt and pepper. This is a starter, it's like a spread. And we also ordered a couple of very traditional mains. The first ever Greek salad in my life. Let's get a bit of everything. Oh wow. What I love about Mediterranean cuisine is the simplicity, freshness of ingredients. They just use olive oil, pepper, oregano, salt, and so light. Wow. As a main, we received this illegal looking lamb cooked in the pressure cooker and some poreros on the side. Mamma mia. Oh, falls off the bone completely. See, just very simple seasoning, oregano and rosemary. Buon appetito. Mom. He has the rosemary flavor, very aromatic, typical of the Mediterranean cuisine. Bit of olive oil, super mega tender. This has to be categorized as illegal. And we get a bit of potato and lamb together. Oh wow. We just received our second main, this huge mega bomb. This is called carniera, which is a traditional Greek moussaka. Mamma mia, look how many ingredients I can see. Potatoes, eggplants, cheese, tomatoes, ground beef, parsley. What else? Oh, wow. This is going to be pretty heavy, huh? There is a herb in it that it's very fragrant and aromatic, not greasy. Oh, everything is just so fresh. After the massive lunch, we needed to have a coffee, and what's better than having this beautiful cold coffee? This is a real thing here in Greece. I've seen people of any age having it. It's pretty cool. This is what Shirley ordered. Take a look. Cold cappuccino. Let's try it out. Oh my god, so refreshing. This is shake coffee. That's how they create the foam on top. There is a bit of ice. Shirley, give us a coffee review.
Right.
How is it?
It's so refreshing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're going to chill out a little bit, explore the city, digest the food, and then we're going for more. And now, you know, Shirley is super excited because we're going to have her favorite seafood. Andiamo. Take a look at what we have. Mamma mia, calamari. How nice is this? This is called fish in a cone. These are tagliolini with prawns. It smells incredible. I'm literally mouth-watering. This brings me home. All right, what we need to do is squeeze a bit of this lemon. Oh, buon appetito. Oh, still a bit crunchy. It's good, it's good.
You're looking good.
Thank you so much. We've just been given this garlic sauce. Okay, let's dip the calamari in it. Oh, so garlicky. But the moment we will be waiting for this pasta. Let's dig in. Bit of the prawn. Opala. A bit of the pasta. Let's see if I'm still able to do it. Let's try it out. Seafood is fresh. Pasta is cooked pretty well, creamy. There is a bit of freshness from the chive and parsley, a bit peppery, because I've added pepper on top. Maybe what's missing is a bit of salt, but I think the pasta is pretty good. These are tagliolini, which are, I would say, in between in terms of size, tagliatelle and spaghetti. Seafood pasta is almost unbeatable. This is Shirley's favorite. As I can see behind the camera, the saliva is dripping on the screen. All right, I'll let Shirley eat. Thank you so much. To end our day, we came to an old school Greek restaurant. Take a look at what they serve. Pork chop, lightly seasoned with oregano, olive oil, salt, lemon, amazing spicy hot salad made with fresh ingredients, olive oil, peppers, feta cheese, tomatoes, and house wine, of course. All right, let's start. Let's squeeze some lemon on it. They're very thin. They're not too fatty. Pretty lean. See, very simple. Oregano, I think there is some rosemary. Buon appetito. Very good. Pork chops, very good. Mamma mia. The meat is tender. They're actually super juicy. That's what I love about pork. It has this very unique taste, especially if it's cooking in a very simple way over the grill. You can't get wrong with it. Let's go for this salad. Oh, it looks fantastic. Let's put a bit of everything. Oh, it's very hot. Oh, the pepper is a bit spicy. Tomatoes are fresh, a bit sour. I love the cheese. It's actually a bit mild. This is a very lovely salad, very unique. I've never seen anywhere else. Probably is unique to this restaurant. Let's open this beautiful pork gyro. So with tzatziki, parsley, tomatoes, onion, and fries. Buon appetito. The tzatziki, the sourness, love the chili on top, the pork is juicy, tomatoes, onion, you get the whole grease on a pita. This is a very good place to have gyro. It's a must try while in Athens, and we walk for 30 minutes right from the city center to get to this place, so come and check it out. We couldn't miss this incredibly looking lamb chops. We ordered half a kilo of it. Look at the oregano on top, it's super fresh. We also ordered this eggplant dip and frying peppers. There we have, of course, house wine. I want to start with eggplant dip. Put it on my bread. Buon appetito. Oh wow, it has a bit of citrusiness and sourness at the same time. I think there is a bit of garlic in it. Oh, that's very interesting. That's nice. Oh wow. We made a friend. He's our food tour guide. All right, moving on. Let's go for these peppers. I love peppers. Nice, sweet and bitter. All right, let's try the chopped. The stars of the day. Ooh, a bit of lemon. Ooh. Let's get a piece of it. Fatty lamb with lemon, a bit of salt, oregano. Oh my god, super tender. A bit fatty. I love to eat the meat by the bone, which I think is absolutely the best one. See, I just finished eating the chops, and take a look. He's here, next to me. Hello. You want some chops? Oh, he said no. It doesn't work. All right, guys. Cheers to end this Athens street food tour. This is to you guys. Alla salute. Right guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching as always. See you next Sunday and ciao!